optimizer. Once you activate the solution, there is nothing much you need to do. Once you're done with this, just go back to the same page. I'll just reload it just for the sake of it's not needed, but still I do it always. Then you go to eBay clone. Now this time you edit with Elementor. You will get a screen which says you want a build mode, which opens everything, which is going to take some time, and edit mode, which just uses the things which you have already loaded. And it's going to be using something. You really don't need to do all these configurations unless you're an advanced user. Don't consider yourself advanced unless you're a developer. And let's launch Editor Elementor. This, in turn, when you do that, increases the speed by at least 4 times. It loads very fast. It's very efficient on your system load. The RAM usage reduces like anything, and the loading time improves like crazy. So you can see this time when actually I clicked on the button, in just 3 seconds, it started loading the Elementor widget. And this will take around 5 to 6 seconds and the page will load. Like you can see, just loaded in 3 seconds. Everything is loaded. Everything is there. No problem. Working right out of the box. Amazingly good. Thank you so much for watching. And I really hope that this helps you a lot to reduce your headache with Elementor Editor. Thank you. Hello, guys. Well, we have been hitting this problem for a long time when we were trying to open our pages to edit them or something. They used to be very heavy, used to take hours and hours, but still don't open. Like, let me show you like how bad it goes for us when we try to do something like this. So when we actually try to open something very big, which is on the higher side for any page, like for example, here we try to open with Elementor. It's gonna take long and very, very long, It just keeps loading and loading and loading. See, now after I tried to open this, it is still loading and loading. I don't know how much time it's gonna take even further. So it's quite a big problem, and it's not us only who's facing this problem, a lot of people across the globe. And this is not actually convenient because it takes too much of your precious development time and designing, editing time out of the context and doesn't work on every system, whereas we are using a very powerful machine to actually get it through. We have been facing this for a long time. We tried everything, all the instructions which Elementor people gave and everyone else across YouTube and everything, but there was never a solution around it. And we actually got stuck. And I am pretty sure that you also have this problem if you're actually using WordPress with Elementor. See, now look at the time, how much time it took to actually get started. And still, the sidebar is still loading. It's nowhere close to be done. And I'm getting a warning of Elementor memory limit and stuff like that, okay? So, you are also facing the same? Fine. We have a solution for you. We built it for ourselves. So, we built a solution which we call Elementor Editor.